Hello everybody, it's me Sam here with WoopaGaming, and today I'm going to show you how to use and install the ChestShop plugin for Bucket. Now, what does ChestShop do? Basically, it allows you to create in-game shops so that people can buy items off you without you being online. And I'm just going to go over how to install and use this one and whatnot. So, first of all, you're going to want to download the actual ChestShop plugin. So we go to download, nice big link at the top. And you also need an economy plugin supported by Register. So we go on this link here. And what plugins does it register? We can use iEconomy, Boss Economy, Essentials Economy, and Multi-Currency. But for the purpose of this tutorial, we're going to use iEconomy. So download ChestShop and iEconomy, and you're going to want to drag them into your plugins directory in your server directory. So there's iEconomy. Let's open up ChestShop. Okay, so there'll also be some sample files with ChestShop. You can just paste these in to the plugins directory as well. Okay, so now that's all done, we're going to start the server. Okay, so it's just say ChestShop version and then whatever version it happens to be initialized, and then what economy system it's using, and then economy. I've already done a tutorial on that. I'll probably find a link in the description, but that should all be set up now. So now that's all good. You can use permissions, and the permissions are on the thread. I believe, yeah, the permissions are here, and they allow you to do that, but I won't go over those. You can just see them on the thread. You can see my permissions there and how to do that. But I'm going to go in game now, and actually, wait, before I do that, let's look at the config and then we'll go in game. So we can ignore this for now. Let's look at config.yml. So actually, let's. Have I got no? No, I haven't. Okay, so you can choose your preferred economy plugin. If you don't specify it, then it'll just find one for you. So you can put iEconomy, Boss Economy, or Essentials, depending on what it is. Reverse buttons, so you can people will buy it with the left click and sell with the right click, or you can do buy with the right click and it just flips the buttons left and right click. Server economy counts, so that could be like an admin shop. So the admin shop name is the name of the shop. Let's call it WoopaGaming shop. The first line of your admin shop. Right. Shop creation price. This is how much it costs a player to create a shop, which is set to free. You can choose whether to log all the transactions to a file, or whether or not to log it onto the console. You can set that to true or false, and a database as well. They're all the same. We can choose that. Generate statistics page. So if you want to see a statistics page of all the transactions and whatnot as a web page, you can see it there. Let's set that to true, and you'll notice that the ones we covered over earlier in the HTML folder, this is where it will be. Okay, so no, that's wrong. It will go to ChestShop website.html, and then the HTML files will go into it, whatnot. So you can use a built-in protection. So that's with ChestShop, it has its own protection system, or you can use LWC to protect chests. You can set all those there, and all these. We can show messages when it's out of stock, show transaction information to client, so it's info, something like that. So for instance, somebody bought your gold or something. So you can modify that to how you need, and local.yml will just show all the prefixes of all the languages, and basically, so you can modify this, and this is just what players see. This is pretty self-explanatory. Let's reload the server just with a new config. Okay, and you'll notice a chestshop.db. This is where all the chests will be saved when they're created and whatnot. Okay, so I'm going to go in game now. Oh wait, the website.html files turned up now. This will be where all the items are being done on. I'll come back to that when we've done some transactions. Okay, so I'm going to go in game now. Okay, now join me in game, and I'm going to show you how to set up a chest shop in game. So first of all, I'm going to put down a chest. So there's our chest. Now you're going to want to put a sign near to the chest, so about 1 block away from it would be the best. So I'll put it here. Okay, so on the first line you keep it blank. This will be filled in when the plugin. The second line is how much you want to sell of the product. So let's say 5 stone, which we're going to be selling for stone. Now you can either to buy and sell stuff, you have to put a B next to what you're buying and put an S next to what you're selling. So we're going to buy stone, or the chest buys stone for you buy stone for, let's say, 5 currency, but you can sell to it for 1 currency, so the chest gets a profit. And then on the last line we either put the item ID or the alias of the item we're going to do. So stone, we'll put a capital, and then we hit enter, and there you are. It will say shop successfully created, and it will put your name at the top there. So if I right, so first of all I need to stock the chest, so let's put some stone in there. And I can also protect this thing if I wanted to with LWC, if I change the config to do so. But this should be protected now from any other player. So I can right click and left click on this sign to access the chest and see what's in it, to refill it and restock it and whatnot. But I can't actually buy anything, so I'm going to have to go on another account. So see you in a bit. Okay, now I'm joined in as someone else. I'm just on an offline account. But let's first see how much money I have, which is $25. So what I can do is I can right click, I believe, to sell stone, and left click to buy stone. So if I right click to buy stone, sorry. So I bought 5 stone as defined for $5 because I sell them for 1 each. So if I check money now, I have $20. Now I can sell these stone back to the shop by left clicking, and there we are. I sold 5 stone back to the shop for $1. So there you can see, it cost me $5 to buy, but $1 to sell. So I've effectively lost money. Where you can see my money. Yeah, yeah, I've lost money. So I can also access the chest and rob it. I believe that's because I'm up. So let me just fix that. Yeah, so that's because I was up and I can access the chest. But as you can see, I can't access the chest as I'm not a player. But I can buy the stone and then sell it back. And you can modify that to do how you need and whatnot. Now there are also admin shops. So basically, instead of on the first line, I need to on myself again now. Right. So actually, I'll show you how to destroy a shop first. To destroy a shop, all you have to do is crouch and destroy the sign. So let me. I feel I'm not crouching for some reason. And there you are. That's how you destroy a shop, just by crouching and then destroy it. And you have to be up or have the permission to do so, or own the shop. So I'm going to show you how to make a admin shop, and we do that exactly the same. We just put admin space shop, Actually, no, we don't, do we? So we have to do it specified on the config file. And if you remember, we modified it to say WoopaGaming shop. So we're going to have to put that on the first line, which is not going to fit. So I'm just going to change the config to Woopa shop. Apologies for that. Yeah, make sure that your shop names can actually fit on the sign. Is always a good idea. So there we are. On the first line, we'll have the Woopa shop. We'll have 5. We'll set the same thing: buying and selling, and we'll say the same. But the difference with this one is that I can buy. Oops. I can't remember my commands. Money, grant, buyer. The difference with this is that I can buy from the shop, and it's an infinite shop, so it doesn't actually need a chest here. So I'm going to remove this chest. I can still buy and sell from it. So it's basically an infinite shop. Okay, so that's that. I believe that's all there is. It's destroying and buying. Yep, that's all good. Now I'm going to show you just the website HTML as I explained earlier. Okay, so let's have a look at the website.html, and there we go. We can see it's added some more data to it. So the item stone was 180 was bought, 180 was bought and sold, 100 was bought and 80 was sold. Stack size of 64, which was in the chest. Price per stack was 64, and the price per unit is 1. And that will just show all the transactions and whatnot of your chests and so on. So the more you have, the more this will be shown, and you can basically you can pretty much see things like trends, how much they're selling for, and stuff like that. Okay, so thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. This is me, Sam, with WoopaGaming, signing out.